What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So I finally got my devices from Google. They actually came in yesterday after I went to work, so this is the next morning, and I finally get a chance to take a look at this awesome devices from Google. So this year I did not receive the devices from Google. Maybe next time, if I never get them again from Google, I'm still grateful and appreciative of them sending me the devices for the last 4, maybe 5 times, and I'll always appreciate that. But I was buying these devices before I became an official member of Team Pixel, and I'll always buy them even if they never send me another one. So I appreciate all of the devices that Google sent me. So I picked up the Google Pixel 8 Pro. I got it in the Obsidian color, and I also got the Pixel Watch 2 for free. Now I wanted the black one, the Obsidian one, to match this, but by the time I actually made my decision, they had sold out of the black one. Also, I had in my cart the bay color, bay watch, and the bay phone, but like I said, I was kind of on the fence if I wanted that, and then when I finally said yeah, it was gone. So we're going to unbox the watch later, but in this video I want to concentrate on the phone. So here's the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now I gave my 7 Pro to my grandson, so I don't have it here to compare it against this, but we will in future videos. So box, Google, got the logo, Pixel 8 Pro, and then it says Team Pixel on the back. Now I picked up the 256 gigabyte version as well, so you guys can see that right there. So let's go ahead and get in the box, man. Check this out. So I'm very excited about this device here. Pixels have become my favorite devices, man. My Fold is my favorite device, man. This Obsidian, man. Oh man, that is really, really nice. You guys see that. Hopefully the light is not blowing it out too much, but there it is. And in the box, you're gonna get your little dongle there. You get your cable, charging cable, and this is gonna be your paperwork and SIM card. So we don't need to get into all that. You guys have seen all that. Here's the phone. And like I said, this is absolutely gorgeous here. Very nice. You got your camera bar back here. The cameras on this, I'm not going to go through all the specs, but you got a 50 megapixel, you got a 48 megapixel, and you have another 48. So wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. The telephoto has the 5-time optical zoom. There's going to be a lot of features with this, man. You got your temperature sensor and your flash, your Google logo. This side, you're going to have your power button, volume up and down. And on this side, you got your SIM card tray. I'm glad they still have that. At the top, look like an antenna and a mic right there. And then on here, it kind of tells you what it is. Gonna have, let's go ahead and peel this. So not too exciting on the peel. And then you got your front facing, you got your display here, which is gonna be a 6.7 inch super Acura, I don't know how to pronounce that word, display. It's going to be 20 by 9 aspect ratio, 1340 by 2992 resolutions. LTPO OLED, 489 ppi, 120 hertz refresh rate, made out of Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and this thing can get up to 2400 nits. Let's go ahead and power it on, see if it has any power here. This is running the Google Tensor G3 with the Titan G2 M2. I got the 256 gigabyte, like I said, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 5050 milliamp hour battery. This weighs 213 ounces. Comes in the Obsidian, porcelain, and the bay. You're gonna get 7 years of OS updates as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put my information in, and then we'll come right back and look at it. Okay guys, so we're back in. I did not do a restore. This is like a fresh, brand new start. So I haven't had added any apps or anything on here. So the lock screen Let's go ahead and go to the lock screen. So here's the lock screen. As you guys see, you got your clock, your date, your weather. This look like smart home stuff, and your fingerprint sensor. And this is the wallpaper out of the box. I set up fingerprint sensor and Face ID as well. So fingerprint works great out of the box. Get in, you got your Google feed over here, and it feels pretty good, man. I went in and it's on 120 hertz refresh rate, adaptive already. So this is what you got on your front screen: Play Store, Gmail, Photos, YouTube, your phone dialer, messages. You got your internet, and you got your camera, and then your Google search bar down at the bottom. And then if we go into the apps here, you guys see it has calculator, calendar, camera, some of the same stuff I named. Fitbit right there. You got your Drive, Docs, Google One, Google TV, Keynotes, Maps. You got a recorder on here, and just, you know, pretty much stock Android right here, which is great. And if we swipe down, this is your notifications panel here. And then here are all your quick toggles. You got your normal everyday stuff in here, nearby share, stuff like that. And of course, you can go in and add other stuff as well. You got that VPN that's on board already, focus mode. Let's see what else here. Extra dim, one hand mode, different things like that. And then going into the settings, let's go into the settings. This is your settings menu right here. Storage, I got the 256 gigabyte version. It is using 6.1 out of the box. Like I said, I haven't added anything. We go into display settings here. It's already set out of the box to the dark theme. I didn't touch that. Let's go to colors. So it's going to be on adaptive. And then screen resolution. It's on the highest screen resolution out of the box right there. And then smooth display, automatically refresh from 60 to 120. That was all set already, guys. And then let's go down to about and go to, this is running 14, Android 14 out of the box. The security update is September the 5th, 2023. So that is pretty much it, man, that I want to talk about. This is just a quick unboxing and first look. That's the wallpaper that came out of the box. Let's go in and check out some of the other wallpapers. And let's see here. So you got minerals. Let's see what that entails. So here's some of the mineral wallpapers. Takes a while, a few seconds there to populate. That's the mineral. Let's go back to this color here. That's a pretty dope color right there. I like that one. Wallpaper. You got different ones in here. You got Live Universe. And as you guys see, so a lot of different wallpaper choices that you can do. You can theme this. You can control your grid size. That's 4x5. I want 5x5. So here it is up next to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. There it is, the natural titanium. Also, let's look at it against my favorite phone that I have still, my Google Pixel Fold. Here it is. Now, I have a skin on mine, but this is still my favorite device here. This is the Obsidian color as well. You guys see the sides look the same. The paint probably, I don't know if this was matte like this. I do like the matte color a whole lot on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. And then here it is next to my Z Flip right here. There it is against the Z Flip. And you guys can see it's just as tall as that. Everybody say the Z Flip is a tall device, but it's no taller than others. Just seems that way because it's narrow. So, but anyway, so this has been my unboxing and first impressions of this device. I do like the flat display. That is a welcome change right there. Do like the look of the Obsidian color. Very nice. you know, I think I chose the right one for me. The blue would have been a little bit too flashy for myself. And if the device feels good in the hand, really fits in your hand here. I didn't know if this was going to be, you know, a matte color or not going around, but I still think it looks great. So yeah, man, more videos to come on this device. I'm getting ready to take a little trip out of town for the weekend. So I'm going to pop my Mint mobile card in here, try to get some pictures and videos as well with these awesome cameras right here. So, and check out some of these features like Magic Editor, Best Take. We got the macro focus, magic eraser, photo unblur, motion mode, and real tone, and a bunch of others, you know, and the cameras have a lot of updates as well. So more videos to come. Will H, I'm out.